Hey guys, if you are clicking on this video for the first time, you are welcome to my channel. For my returning subscribers, I really do appreciate you for coming back. Please do well to give this video a thumbs up, and if you can help me share this video, help me share this video so that other people can as well benefit from this video. So guys, in today's recipe, we are going to be making fondant. We all know what fondant is. If you're a baker, you know what fondant is. For people that are not baker that are clicking on those videos, fondant is an icing sugar that we use in decorating a cake, fondant cake, wedding cake, birthday cake, anniversary cake. Fondant is used for covering and designing and decorating cake. So these are all the ingredients that I'll be using for this recipe. I'm going to be using 3 kg icing sugar. I'm going to be using glucose syrup, gelatin, CMC, and water. I am also going to be using a clear color for this particular recipe, a clear flavor. So guys, right here I'm going to introduce water that I'll be using to dissolve the gelatin. So what I have here is quarter cup. I'll be adding 3 cup of this quarter measurement into the plate before adding the gelatin. So this is 1 tablespoon. I'm using 1 tablespoon to measure the gelatin. So I added 6 tablespoons of gelatin into the water, and I'll go ahead to introduce another quarter cup of water to the gelatin. So guys, right here I have my mixing bowl. I'm going to be using mixer for this particular fondant recipe. I'm not going to be using my hand. I'm going to be using the industrial mixer. So I'll go ahead to divide the icing sugar into 2 equal parts. Then I will introduce 1 tablespoon of CMC into 1 part of the icing sugar. This is 1 tablespoon of CMC. I will add it into the icing sugar and I will set it aside. So here I have the gelatin mixture. I'm going to add it into a double boiler to boil it. As you can see, it is ready. I added 4 tablespoons of glucose into the gelatin to dissolve it. This is a glucose. I added 4 tablespoons of glucose into the gelatin mixture to double boil it. Sorry, I was unable to record where I double boiled it, but I think I've shared this recipe several. I have another video where I showed how to double boil your gelatin mixture. I'll go ahead to add the gelatin mixture into the mixing bowl, and I will on the mixer and allow it to mix together. So guys, here I have flavor. I'll go ahead to introduce flavor into the fondant mixture. So guys, here is the fondant. The mixer has already done the big part of this job by kneading everything together, so it is not going to be difficult again to knead together. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please, if you find this video helpful, help me share this video. Give this video a thumbs up. If you can share to your lovely ones, please do, so that they can benefit from this video. This fondant recipe is for all weather, and it is tested and trusted. If you're having issues with your fondant game, this is a recipe for you. Try out this recipe and tell me if you don't love it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.